From coast to coast, more than 2 million vehicles are covered with the plan through CarShield. That's protection from unexpected breakdowns and high-priced repairs. And it means your expensive repair bills get paid. Without a plan through CarShield, the cost for an engine assembly can be up to $4,000. Automatic transmission assembly is as much as $3,400. With a plan through CarShield, you can have both of those covered and up to 5,000 other parts and systems as well. No matter where you go, you're always covered 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing and rental car options included with every plan. As America's #1 auto protection company, CarShield's administrators have already paid over $1 billion in claims.
When I called a customer and told them that everything that needed to be done from the car was going to be covered, they were ecstatic. I recommend CarShield to everybody.
Call CarShield for your free no-obligation quote right now. Find your perfect money-saving plan before a car breakdown. Call 800-579-6554, 800-579-6554.